But it seems to me I can just get up, never feel the need again. And I know it's crazy to believe in silly things, but it's not that easy. I remember it now, it takes me back to when it all first started, and I only got myself to blame for it, and I accept it now. It's time to let it go, go out and start again, but it's not that easy. When I got in my mind, I make the coast of all the people who come and go. Memories, they seem to show up so quick and leave us way too soon. Now if I was just staring at the barrel of the gun, and I do believe that. Oh, and I got and the world keeps spinning around. Yeah, the world keeps spinning, and the world keeps spinning around.